Stuart here from Yellow Dog Cafe. We're going to be making some jalapeno fries today. Creation of Bob's. So we're going to start by cutting these babies right in half. Going to scrape this out. Look at that. Get all those seeds out. See, now, cut them in sixes. Each one of these in thirds. That one's a bit small, so I'm going to cut this one in half again. Just leave him out. So there we go. We got 6 little things out of it. Jalapenos come from a farm down in Mico. And he lives down in Mico. His whole yard has turned into a little supplier farm for us, and we love it. We've been down to visit. He has a very clean operation, and he does mostly jalapenos and eggplants for us. And he can't quite keep up with eggplants, but he's doing a good job with keeping up with jalapenos for us. So we are grateful for that. His name's Bill. And he lives down in Barefoot Bay. Look at that. There we go. Beautiful. Now, dredge these into some batter. And flour. So here we go. I'm going to slide this out of the way. So we're going to start here. I'm only going to do a few of these at once. So flour. Into the batter. Or make sure we don't leave them behind. They'll surprise somebody when they think they're getting something else. Flour. Get them nice and covered with flour. One more. Batter. Now this will take a little bit more time now. Put them in here, put them in there. We love using backyard gardeners, so give us a call and come see us with your produce from your backyard. We'll see if we can make something for it. Let's go fry these up. Now we're going to top it with a little bacon, onion, and cheddar cheese sauce right over the top of it. There we go. And it's ready to eat. You should try this one. Yum.